The show is called Sideways to the Sun, and it's basically sort of sets the tone of this idea of reorienting yourself to nature. Nature is taking over. That's the idea. It's meant to be evocative that way. Some of the work has been made ahead of time, and then some of it is made on site. That's actually what makes these require extreme faith from the people that invite me in to do this, because I can't tell them what it's going to look like until it actually exists.
It is my first time, and like my daily life in the studio, Natasha and I will work on different days, and I'll walk in as like, here's a list of the things you have to do, and at the moment it feels like just step by step, you're just putting the tape on, putting the paint on, but it's always that the magic revealed when you peel back that tape and you see the flowers and the shape starts blooming. That was very magical.
It's nice and nerve-wracking to make work at the place that I work at. I mean, I haven't done that before. All my colleagues are here, all my students are here, so it's exciting to be able to actually share what I do instead of just sharing it through imagery or by word of mouth. They can actually see what I'm into when I'm not on campus.
I didn't realize how big this is until I actually walked in this room and I saw these panels actually on the wall, and with all the flowers we've done over the past 5 to 6 months just laid down on the floor, that it dawned on me, like, this is huge. This is so much bigger than I originally imagined.